Man, what it do, man? You know my dog 7 Chevy boy was saying, what it do, man? Man, it's race day, man. I'm still in the bed, though. Still in the bed. Still binge watching 7 Chevy boy, man. But I'm about to get up. Get my day started. Oh, excuse me. Gotta upload me a video, man. Well, gotta edit a video, upload it, and get ready for the day, man. Cause me and Ash might run down to the track, man, today, man, for my dog. CEO Larry, man. Having his birthday bash, man. Today, man. Holly Springs Motorsports, man. Him, Primo from DNL, man, about to get it on. And yeah. Co-people here, man. KP here, Big Low here. Of course, Big Low here. Coco here. That's all I know. That's here right now. KP and Coco pulled down on us yesterday. Me and Memphis Mike. And you know, they kicked it for a second. They kicked it in the city last night. So yeah. I'm about to get up. Like I said, I'm binge watching 7 Chevy boy, man, but I'm about to get up. Get some work done, some editing done. We're finna get this thing started, man. Hopefully Ash go to the show with me, man. We go down there, man. Have a good old time, man. Watch some good old racing. Yeah. That'll be a good look. Yeah. Yeah, that battery lost a notch, man. As soon as I clicked the button to start recording. But anyway, yeah, man. So today is a race day, man. You know what I'm saying? My dog CEO Larry having his birthday bash down in Holly Springs, and man, me and baby gonna shoot down there. I drove the car yesterday, man. I drove MayRose yesterday, man. Me and my dog, James Jr. got out, man. And that flipping box, man. You know what I'm saying? That boy clean, man. The gold root is on that thing. So we got out, man. Had a ball. You know what I'm saying, man? We were cutting up. Well, I was cutting up in traffic. We was cutting up in traffic, man. And I got to my dog Damien house, man. And man, my car won't start, wouldn't say nothing. Headlights come on, everything come on, so the car had power, but nothing on the inside of the car had power. I mean, I ain't had no interior lights, no nothing. Headlights and all that stuff was working, but I ain't had no lights. So what happened was I blew a body fuse. I don't know if y'all remember this, but I had that problem at my mama's house one day when I went over there. This 60 amp fuse right here, it blew. So once I figured that out, switched fuse around, car started, came to the house. I was so mad. like I was really like beating the car the whole time I was coming home. Like, you gotta understand, Damon stay right around the corner. But I'm already mad because my transmission is messed up and all this. So, you know what I'm saying? The car be giving me problems and stuff. So I'm beating on it the whole time. I get home, let the garage up, and when I let the garage up, when I come in the garage, Ash and the baby was in the door. So I'm hyped, I'm crumping the car, I'm hyped. So, man, I just went crazy, y'all. I just went crazy in the driveway, man. Check me out. Yeah, man. The battery about to die. Went crazy in the driveway. But I need some new tires anyway, man, so I ain't really stressing about it. Need some new tires. But anyway, man, we finna get ready. So I'm finna get ready to take him to my mom. I'm gonna shoot to Holly Springs, so I'll pick the camera back up, man, when we get to doing all that right there. Yeah.
Good one.
So what's y'all, man?
Yeah.
I heard Larry show.
I'm going head up.
Man, you look, you know you good, man. You can sit next to a celebrity, man. Look. We got celebrities in the building, man. Look, man. Hey,
Y'all know who it is.
Y'all know who it is, man. Big celebrity, man. Look, I'm privileged right now. Where the truck at, man? You ain't bring the truck?
Nah, bro, that thing back in Arkansas.
Yeah. Oh, for real?
Yeah.
What you doing now?
Just tuning and suspension work. But when it come back, we own everything.
When it come back, man.
We own
You know what?
everything.
I ain't gonna even say nothing yet. I ain't gonna say nothing.
We own everything.
I ain't gonna even say nothing, man. I'm gonna tap you on your shoulder.
All right.
I'm gonna tap you on your shoulder, man. KP said she on the way. What's that? Okay.
She must just text you.
Huh?
She must just text you.
I called. But they was some her. She said that she went down there with Larry. This is show.
Ready.
Yeah. What the fuck they keep playing with these outlets, bro?
Hey, you feed me. That's how it works. You feed me, baby.
KP in the building.
I guess Threat's word. Don't make me hurt you. Be no Threat's word.
Oh, man.
He's gone. I was scared though. Let me slide by you.
We're gonna say you gonna get that bitch the hook. They can't never get the hook.
Oh, I just got her. What's up? Okay. Okay. I seen what's content, man.
I do like I do, but you gotta see.
Man, we got
Shout out to
Coco in
Belo
there.
and Ash.
I don't mind. Ain't it? Man. Huh? Let's start. Let's start car. Let's start car. But it's RS7 though. It's twin turbo. Huh? It's probably about 14, 15 maybe. Nah, Coco. It's just an Audi.
That Audi kicking ass though.
It's just an Audi. Don't mind the other car. Let's focus on the Audi. You look at the other car, you're gonna be behind.
Hey, listen, that Charger been everybody's thought. I don't know who owned it, but he been the thought.
Yeah. Coco, you gotta start listening to me. Yeah, look at that boy turnout though, man. Baby, I'm high as a fool. I'm high as a motherfucker.
Why is you still smoking the thing?
It's almost gone.
That shit they got put out here.
Oh, he gave it back time. No, he just ain't got it back yet. He definitely won't be. Come on,
But he got the shit though. Ball drinking, bro.
hey, anybody got a
Move that big block, man.
Raise the time on that motherfucker. Raise them up. He gone. He gone.
Put it around his ass.
I thought he did. I thought he did. Yeah, man, we getting ready, man. CEO Larry, man, Memphis Ghost. Primo, OnlyFans, man. Them folk down there, man. In the lanes, man.
Oh, okay. So hold on. You said oh, company. Okay.
They in the lanes, dog. Finna get it on. Let go, bit out. Huh? I'm at the house. I'm at the house. I'm at the house, dog. Line them up, dog. Put him in that, dog. Put him in that, dog. Put him in that, dog. Ain't no way, boy.
Oh, you want to bet some money?
Cause let me see what the thing look like in 4K.
I gotta take the picture home, but it's not more. I said, boy, I said I gotta take it home.
I'm putting cases on all you niggas. Huh? Broke